Hey guys, in this video I'll be reviewing this genuine FL5 Civic Type R outdoor car cover. I'll be showing you how you should use this, as well as giving you my ultimate verdict on whether this thing is the ideal solution for us guys without a garage. This is how it will arrive. It will be in this white box or something similar when you do get it. Inside you've got some instructions. Got this Type R logo bag to put your car cover inside, and there of course is the car cover itself. First of all, I'm just going to go ahead and give this car a deep clean. As you can see, there is a lot of dirt on here, so it's not ideal to put a car cover directly on top without cleaning it first. So the car is nice and clean, however we need it to fully dry, so I'm just going to go and dry it all up before it's time to put the cover on. Can't be putting a cover on a wet car, that's not a good idea to be honest, so it has to be fully dry. Is now fully clean and dry, ready for the car cover. So let's go ahead and take the actual cover out of the box. I am going to inspect this because I just want to make sure there's no dirt on the inner part of the cover. This is how the cover is wrapped up from the box. On the top over here there is a tag which shows you that this part of the cover is for the front. Let's go ahead and unwrap the car cover. It is wrapped up nicely from the box. As you can see, it kind of gives you an idea of how you should be wrapping it back up. So before you do put it on, anyone who gets a car cover for the first time, just have a quick glance, rub your hand through it inside. I must say the material is nice and soft. It is that type of material that doesn't feel like it will scuff the car's paint or anything. Make sure there's no little dirt and debris there, because the last thing you want is your fresh paint putting scratches on with a car cover. So I'm really impressed with the quality so far. So lay the cover in place with the front section being at the front first of all, and the mirrors to line up. I would say you need 2 people to put this on to prevent moving it around for no reason. So idea is to put the cover on without too much dragging along the paint. So basically you want to do everything you can to minimize any swirls caused by the car cover. However, the material is nice and soft underneath, so it should prevent that. As you can see here, it is nice and soft, so it looks very gentle on the paint, but you still want to do your best not to drag the cover around for no reason. Once we've got it lined up, I'm just going to place the cover around the mirrors first, and then the driver's side mirror. The areas for the mirror pockets, shark fin area and the spoiler section does give you peace of mind that you're putting on the cover correctly. These sections, just make sure the cover is exactly where it should be, so it has got that snug fit. So I'm just going to finish off and place the cover around the front end of the car, and as you can see, all nice and clean, nice soft material. Very happy with it so far, so let's see how it looks once it's all fitted. So that's the car cover on. It's got a nice snug fit to it. Over the next few days it is forecast to rain, and it'll be nice to see how this thing holds up. So we'll let that happen first before we give the ultimate verdict on how this thing performs. So it has been raining overnight, and this is what the car cover looks like. As you can see, the fabric is water repellent. So it's not allowing the water to seep through onto the car. So inside of it is nice and soft, and outside it's got this water repellent fabric. So it's been 5 days. Today is my day off, and surprisingly it's a dry day today, and I will be taking this cover off and showing you the car underneath. Now, one thing to mention and another downside of a car cover is, as you can see, it has been raining, and when removing the car cover is probably ideal to let it dry. So touch dry over here, a few wet spots over there which should dry up in a few hours or so, or probably less than that, to be honest. But the reason for that is if you're taking it off and it's all damp, it's going to be rather heavy, and you're not going to really be able to put it in the bag that's included. So for that reason, I would say another downside is having to wait for it to dry so you can take it off nicely without having a big wet car cover to deal with. So as per the instructions, we are going to remove the mirror pockets first and fold the car cover into the middle of the car so we can wrap it up the way it was in the box, so we can put it back in the bag. So let's go ahead and remove the mirror pockets first. Let's loosen these up. And the driver side mirror on the first corner, passenger side, let's lift it up a bit. And the final corner, driver's side. It has been cold and wet, so you will get this kind of condensation underneath. Not entirely sure how good that is for the car, but on all the contact points there are no visible scuffs or anything like that. On this kind of gloss black paintwork you will notice them straight away. And all the contact areas, like around the bumpers, the mirrors and all that kind of stuff, there are no visible scuffs. So this probably comes down to making sure the car is spotless before you put it on. Let's go ahead and get this car cover in the bag that's provided. So once it is folded, of course, it's rather straightforward. Just put it in the bag that's provided, and you can probably just throw it in the boot of your car, ready to use next time round. It has a drawstring over here, so there we go. That's the car cover all stored up in the Type R bag. Overall, guys, this is a really good car cover. It is manufactured by Honda specifically for the FL5 Civic Type R. Now, it is made from the correct materials also, so soft inner fleece lining so it doesn't damage your paintwork, breathable materials, and the external fabric, of course, is water repellent. So if you're looking for something which is a make-do solution for not having a garage to begin with, for example, like myself is parked on the driveway, then this is a solution for you. However, it is not for someone who is thinking of daily driving this car and coming home, putting the cover on, taking it off the next morning and cracking on again driving the car. It is probably something for someone who has this car as a weekend driver like myself. Of course, nothing beats a car garage, but you wouldn't be watching this video if you had a garage to begin with. So, hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, share and like. There are some more FL5 Civic Type R videos to come. I do have this car now as my weekend car, so I am planning to make some more content. So be sure to subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.